In today's ever-changing digital world, artificial intelligence has become a must-have tool for marketers who want to improve their strategies and get big results. By using AI-powered digital marketing tools, businesses can get useful insights, automate tasks, personalize customer experiences, and optimize their campaigns like never before. In this video, we'll look at the top 5 AI digital marketing tools that are changing the business world. But before that, like the video and subscribe to our channel now. Make sure to hit the bell icon for regular updates. Now let's get started. Number 5. Zapier. Zapier stands out among other AI marketing tools because it is a no-code integration program. It has a unique feature that lets you create custom automation using if-then machine learning logic. It allows you to easily connect and manage different systems. By using Zapier, you can save time, improve performance, and cut costs. For instance, you can automate your email marketing by setting up an if-then automation that instantly sends a welcome email to new subscribers. You can also increase customer engagement by getting Facebook Messenger messages in Slack. This lets you respond faster and talk to your target group better. With Zapier, you can automate your entire customer journey, making sure that each customer gets the right contact as they move through your sales funnel. Number 4. Presto. Presto is a leading AI content generation tool that helps enterprise clients make a lot more money every year. It uses advanced technologies like natural language processing and machine learning to build and optimize marketing messages. By looking at what people have written, Presto's AI platform figures out the brand's tone and style and builds a language model based on that. It uses state-of-the-art natural language generation, NLG, to make highly personalized and compelling ads that appeal to human emotions, reinforce the brand story, correctly describe the offer, and include effective calls to action. Presto's AI constantly improves its performance by learning from previous ad campaigns and drawing from a large collection of powerful business communication words that have a big impact on brand language. Number 3. HubSpot. HubSpot is an all-in-one platform that enables you to build your business by improving your marketing, sales, and customer service through the use of artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence technologies offered by HubSpot include automated email marketing, lead scoring, and forecast lead scoring. The email marketing automation offered by HubSpot makes use of artificial intelligence in order to send targeted emails to your audience at the appropriate moment. This assists in getting people interested, which in turn helps to enhance sales. In addition, HubSpot offers a chatbot that, by utilizing natural language processing, can provide instant responses to questions posed by visitors to your website. Number 2. Surfer SEO. Surfer SEO is the best all-in-one tool for you if you're looking for a complete way to handle your content strategy and creation. Surfer mixes the power of artificial intelligence with effective marketing features to help SEO professionals and bloggers improve their search engine rankings. Surfer helps you improve your writing and make your new or old content more visible on search engines by giving you useful information for keyword research. Surfer looks at your top rivals on Google and gives you content optimization tasks and several tools to help you move up in the rankings. With Surfer, it's easy to make SEO-optimized content that beats your competitors. Give this site a try to take advantage of the power of AI-driven SEO tools and the chance to make unique, interesting content. Number 1. Jasper.ai. Jasper, an excellent AI-powered tool that does a great job of making high-quality material for many platforms. Using the powerful GPT-3 model created by OpenAI, Jasper has the amazing ability to write text that is very close to human language. Jasper is an AI writer that was made especially for marketers. It has a wide range of output options to meet different needs. When compared to other AI writing services, Jasper has become very famous and successful. Its easy-to-use dashboard, low cost of execution, and AI writing skills that are unmatched have changed the way content is made. Other AI writers only use the GPT-3 API, but Jasper uses multiple AI methods, which makes it faster and a very useful tool for marketers, especially those who need to create a lot of content. All these AI-powered marketing tools improve the content, email, and social media campaigns. They can help you write error-free material, choose great subject lines, and track conversion rates in real time. That's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.